360 motorcycle ride. I meant 360-degree motorcycle ride. This is my 2006 American IronHorse Texas Chopper. I'm riding it in San Diego in the neighborhood of San Carlos. And I'm using a Samsung Gear 360 camera to film this in 360-degree high definition. Now, because the camera is mounted on the side of my helmet, well, you're not getting true 360 degrees, but you can use your cursor and move it in any direction, up, down, left, or right, and even turn it around to the right, and you can see the cars and traffic behind me as I'm riding. So you can choose what view to see. Be sure to visit our very popular motorcycle blog. It's San Diego Custom Motorcycles.info. And when you're there, mark it as one of your favorites. Also, be sure to get a subscription to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hey, thanks for watching.